Hey, do you know you can animate your drawings with artificial intelligence? Yes, you just need to go this website to animate your drawings. Let me show how you can animate your drawing with artificial intelligence. Let's go to this website, tap on get started, upload a photo. You can click a photo or you can browse your gallery for a photo. Let us click a photo. We have clicked our photo and tap tick mark. The photo is uploading. Tap on next. Tap on agree and crop the selection. It will automatically detect the character. If not, you can manually crop the character. Tap on next and then tap next again. AI will automatically detect your drawing. Then tap next and you will see your drawing is now animated. It will dance, it will jump, walk and funny movement. You can change the animation by tapping the suggestions from the down below. This is really funny. You can also animate your drawing by categories like dance, funny, jumping, walking. How to save this animation? To save this animation, here is no direct option, so that we have to send it to someone. Tap on share and share this drawing to anyone by any social media, email or other platforms. I am using Facebook Messenger to send this. After sending, open the Facebook Messenger, open the contacts you have sent. From here you can tap and save the file. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way you can animate your any drawings with artificial intelligence. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.